Hello, everybody. This is Michelle with Creative Operation, and I'm here today to share with you a box that I received. This is from Your Creative Studio, and this is the December sewing box, and it's really beautiful. I'm really happy with everything that I got in here, and I want to share with you what I received. So as you can see, I've already opened everything. This is take 2 of my video, and that's okay. We're going to do this, and I'm going to go through everything, and I'll show you what I got. So let's start off with, I always like to show the cards. She always has a thank you card in the box, which is really pretty because on the opposite side, you do have a beautiful card that you can incorporate into your projects. So the Your Creative Studio boxes are very awesome for any kind of, paper crafting that you want to do. So journaling, you're planning, making junk journals, all those kinds of things. It's just a really great box. This one has some really fun extras in it that I'm just really super tickled with. So let's go just kind of through these and I'll show you what I got. There is a pair of scissors in here. And they have these beautiful, I hope you can see the detail in the handles of these scissors. They're just absolutely gorgeous. So a beautiful pair of these like embroidery type scissors. They're just gorgeous, and they're just beautiful. The detail in the images of these birds is just absolutely gorgeous. So I'm super excited about that. That's really cool. I love that. With a sewing box, you have to have sewing scissors, right? There's a beautiful page of stickers here that has all kinds of different vintage sewing machines. This reminds me of my first sewing machine was an old Singer, and it actually worked with a knee pedal. And I used that for years. I made baby clothes with it. I made my own clothes with it. I mean, I did. And I found it at a garage sale for like 25 bucks, and it was in a cabinet and the whole thing, but it did work with the knee pedal. It went forward and backward, and that's all it did. But you know what? Sometimes that's all you need, right? So I love those stickers. I'll put those off to the side. So this kit, they always come with washi tape, which is really awesome, but this one came with 2 different washi tapes. So this one has sewing machines and thimbles and spools of thread and buttons and all that stuff. So we have that spool of washi tape, which is amazing. And then it has another little roll of washi tape that is beautiful, thin, beautiful purple flowers. Let me see if I can show you that. Just absolutely really pretty purple flowers. I love that. So that's nice. I have 2 different washi tapes now that I can play with. The rubber stamps that came in the set. So we have one that's the full-size sewing machine. And it's gorgeous, and I think that's going to be absolutely brilliant in my journaling projects. But then also there were 3 smaller ones. So you have your tape measure, your spool of thread, and your bobbin for your sewing machine. So really pretty, cute little tiny stamps, but those are going to be really pretty to use in my projects as well. I got a fuzzy on them. This also came with this package of, it's called a stamp sticker set. And there's 6 pages, and they're all different. So you have a variety page, which looked like travel theme to me, Bon Voyage, antique, message, postage stamp, and animal. So let me show you what that looks like. They're clear stamps, and they're a little bit on there's shiny stamps, but they look like, they're actually like stamped images, which is really fun. So those will be fun to put in your journal as well, or your planner, or whatever you want. It's just this awesome set of stuff. So this particular stamp set is not, what do you want to say, sewing themed, but it is vintage themed. So that's nice. So I think I went through all of them. So you got a set of those. And then let's see, there's a paper pack. So I believe these are 6x6, and I'll just show you. I love the colors on this, and again, all of the vintage sewing images. So I have an idea already for this paper, and I do believe this is sticker paper as well. So that's awesome. Yeah, it is. So that's going to be really nice to be able to use. Just gorgeous papers. So I already have an idea. I think I already know what I'm going to make with this. This paper ephemera pack, came in the kit as well. And you have these little 3x4 I believe they're 3x4. Let me measure them real quick for you. Just to measure, or just to make sure they're 3x4, almost 4, 3x3 and 7/8. So you get a couple of that image, a couple of, this is really pretty. Yep, I already know what I'm going to make with this. I do. And then this here, this came in the same ephemera pack. So these are 4x5 1/4. And again, just the beautiful, I love the lavender, you know, papers with this. So you get a couple of each, 1, 2, 3 of each of the designs here. Isn't that pretty? Little embroidery thread here, your thimbles. My first sewing machine was a knee pedal sewing machine. I collect thimbles, so this is this is like right up my alley here. So we'll put that here. This pack also came with a crocheted doily. Now, is that not the most adorable thing you've ever seen? I mean, it's just gorgeous. And then the packaging has these beautiful little lovebirds on here in the same color scheme as all of this. So, you know, I'm serious, you can use that in your packaging. Just, that's really beautiful. I love that. And I also crochet too. So that is super pretty. I love that. And then it came with a little sewing machine charm. So you can use that in your journal, in your planner, with all of the papers here. So that came in the kit. And then the last thing that came in the kit, and let me open the packaging. This one I need to use one of my knives on. It is a note card set. And let me open that up so you can see what's in here. Yeah, so a note card set. Let's see if I can get that off of here. I'm just going to slide that off, maybe. Maybe I'm going to slide that off. Maybe I will just remove it. There we go. So you have little checklists. And let's see here. Oh, there's several of those. And then you have Monday through Sunday lists. So this is cute. So this is totally like you could do this in a planner. You get multiple pieces. Here's another list. 1 to 9, maybe a to-do list. This would be cute for a planner page, wouldn't it? And then you get this to-do list here. Very cute. Yeah, so you get 4 different lists in this whole pack. It's huge. Look at how many you get. You get a ton of these. So this would be really cute to use in your planners as well. I mean, seriously, come on. So this is a great kit. I love this kit. I have an idea of what I would like to make with this. I think it's going to be fun. Might be a little hint for you, a little recreation of something I have already created, but I might do a different take on it. So, hey, there's that. So this is from Your Creative Studio. This is the December sewing kit, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It has just a bunch of wonderful images and wonderful papers and everything, and I'm really excited to be able to use this. So go check out Your Creative Studio, and I will see you soon, and I'll show you what I've made with my project. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a crafty day. Bye-bye.